Well, hi there. I'm Doc Reiss. This is Cano Real Estate, and this is the market report for Portland Metro for May 2025. You probably do not follow the real estate market as intently as I do, but from where I sit, it's nice to watch something that has a good, steady growth. Unlike the stock market that bounces up and down, the Portland Metro real estate market is like a battleship moving onward at a steady clip. Last month, there were 3,651 new listings added. Now that's 293 or 8.7% more than April's, okay? Closed sales were also up by 138 for a total of 2,018, and that's a 7.3% above April's 1,880. Pending sales also climbed 3.3% or 74 from April's 2,225 to 2,299. Now, the average sales price last month was at $616,700. In May, that number went up just a titch to $624,100. The median price went from $5,550 to $569,500. And just like our neighbor to the north, inventory went up and days on the market went down. It's still a seller's market, and homes are now selling at about 1 week faster. To put that in a nutshell, average sales prices went up 1.2%, median prices went up 3.5%, and the time on the market dropped a bit by a little over 11%. You know, if you've been holding off on doing something with real estate because of what you hear on the news, please remember that real estate is a local thing. What's happening in Seattle, fine for Seattle, same for New York, but that doesn't have an impact here. If you're a potential buyer waiting for prices to drop or interest rates to go down to 3 or 4%, dream on. As far as home prices go, we're in a seller's market, and we have been. In the last year, home prices have gone up an average of 1.5%. 3% interest rate was an anomaly, not a new standard. In the last 50 years, the average interest rate has been around 7%. Every month you wait is one less month of equity that you could be having. And 54.3% of what is sold in the last month was between $400,000 and $700,000. 10% of that last month's sales went between $300,000 and $400,000. Yes, there are affordable homes out there, so something to think about, okay? And if you're considering selling, well, most sellers have a different property and that they're going to buy when the transaction ends. So the same thing really applies to you folks as well. Yes, your house may sell for a bit more next month, but what are you going to buy with that will also appreciate. So the buyer's considerations are also your considerations. Now, right now, there are 6,146 move-in ready homes on the market. If you're looking to buy, the opportunities are vast, and if you're selling, you may be moving sooner than you think. You'd be wise to start checking out on where you want to be landing, okay? So when you do, remember, at Cano Real Estate, when you hire an agent, you get a team, helping you make it as easy as possible. So selling or buying, give us a call, 360-823-3333. For Cano Real Estate, I'm Doc Reiss.